Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash app to your bank account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Cash app on your mobile device. To transfer money, you need to link your bank account. Tap on the person icon at the top right corner. Then select Link Banks and choose the option to add a bank account or link a debit card. Enter your banking information and complete the setup. Once your bank account is linked, you can cash out your balance. Tap on Cash Out and you will see the amount available for withdrawal. Select the amount you want to transfer and choose your preferred transfer speed. There are two options, Standard and Instant. The Standard option is free, but it takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reach your account. The Instant option transfers the money immediately, but a small fee applies. After selecting the transfer speed, enter your PIN to confirm the transaction. Once completed, your money will be on its way to your bank account. If you chose the Standard option, expect the funds to be available within a few days. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Cash app to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.